Hi everyone. As you already know, my name is Abhilasha and I'm one of the educators of VARC with Unacademy. So today I'm here to talk to you about something very interesting and something that will be of great interest to you if you are one of these people. So if you are someone whose boss has been harassing them day and night and making them work throughout the weeks, and you don't know when to prepare for CAT, or if you have very long classes for your college and you find no time for yourself during the weeks to study for your CAT preparation. And you know that CAT 2020 is going to be that year when you are going to be cracking CAT. So then, my friends, we at Unacademy bring to you a very interesting course which we will be talking about today. So of course, this course is called the CAT 2020 Weekend Evening Crash Course Batch, as you can see on the screen here. This course is starting on the 2nd of May. That means tomorrow. Now, the interesting thing about this course is that this is going to be a weekend batch. Classes will be held late evening. So, if you're working from the week, during the week and find no time for your CAT preparation, or if you have lots of college and you have a lot of studying to do during the week, and you really find no time for your CAT prep, then this batch is the best one. So on Saturday and Sunday, you get up late, relax, chill a little bit, and then in the evening, you come to us and you start studying with some of the best educators that Unacademy has for CAT preparation. So let me quickly brief you a little bit about this course and let's understand a little bit more. So of course, in this course, the top educators will be covering data interpretation, logical reasoning, VARC, and of course, quantitative aptitude. This course is going to be useful for anyone, especially for working professionals and students who have a heavy course load during the weekdays. The course of course will be in English and notes of course will be provided. Now let me tell you a little bit about the educators who will be taking up this course. So of course taking up quantitative aptitude, we start off with Shishant Rathore sir, who will be taking up quantitative aptitude. His course starts from tomorrow. That means the first class that you will start off in this weekend batch will be with Shishant sir only. So 9 p.m. tomorrow, you can join him and start doing number system. Then Raghavendra Pratap Singh, let me quickly tell you about him, a very dear friend of mine and someone I really respect. He will be taking up LRDI with you and his course is starting next weekend. I am the third educator for this course and I will be taking up verbal ability and I'll start you off on the 16th of this month and I will be starting off with verbal ability, especially with grammar. So let us quickly look at a little bit of the course in detail and let's understand what all this course will be discussing and what all will be covered. So in quantitative aptitude, if I take you to the quantitative aptitude page, let me take you here. So the course is divided into 4 parts. You have basic mathematics, you have advanced mathematics, you have quantitative aptitude crash course as well as having a quantitative practice course also. So in this, the first course that we are starting off will be number systems. And number system, the first class will be on the 2nd. So your class will be from 9 p.m. number system types of numbers. Then 3rd May again, and then next weekend again 9th and 10th of May. Shishant Rathore sir will be taking this course. Now if we go back, so of course all the major topics of maths will be covered in this course. Now, if we look at DI and LR also, let's quickly take a look. So, the course is starting off with basics of data interpretation on the 9th of this month. So, 9th, 10th will be the first weekend when you start off with data interpretation and basic skills, data presentation, then data interpretation and calculation skills. These will be the first 2 classes. These classes will be from 11 p.m. in the night. So, like I said, late evening course, very easy for anyone who's got lots of things to take care of during the weekdays. Raghavendra Pratap Singh sir will be taking up this course. Let's come to the third part of the course. So of course data interpretation, logical reasoning, we'll be covering all of that. We'll be covering DI and LR crash course and then of course the DI LR practice course. If you look at logical reasoning, some very interesting topics are there. So binary logic, blood relations, clocks and calendars, cubes, dices, data arrangements, assertion reason, course of action, all of these topics will be covered in the LR and DI portion of our course. Let us come to the third and the most interesting part of the syllabus, because of course I love this portion of the syllabus. So we'll start off with verbal ability. The first course that I'm launching, of course, on the 16th will be with on grammar. So we start off with on the 17th of May with grammar and vocabulary. Then 23rd we do grammar and vocabulary. Again, here we will be focusing on grammar. We learn sentence correction, how to identify the different types of errors, and how to make sure that you don't get into any traps. So grammar and vocabulary over the weekends from the 17th will be starting. Then of course we'll cover para jumbles, summaries, odd ones out, FIJs, logical deductions, critical reasoning, paragraph completion. Fundamentals of reading comprehension will be covered in an entire set of classes where we will do everything about reading comprehension. And then finally we'll have the VRC crash course where we will do verbal ability and reading comprehension, and it will all be followed up with the practice courses, so you get adequate practice in your preparation also. So this is all that we will be covering in this CAT 2020 weekend evening crash course, which starts on the 2nd of May. Remember, you can get your subscription from here. You just have to click on this and go get your subscription. The schedule, of course, I've already told you that it will be a weekend course, and Saturdays and Sundays we will be covering all the classes. Okay. Now, one more thing, we have started off with these 3 courses, and more courses will be added as we go along, so that your syllabus is covered by the best of the educators on Unacademy. So, for anyone who's thinking of kickstarting their CAT prep now, this is an excellent course, because we will take you on to the fast track of your CAT preparation. For anyone who's in college and doesn't find much time during the weekdays, is also just the right candidate for this course. And of course, anyone who's working, a working professional, somebody who's working in the software industry from morning to night, or working in production, having a lot of things to do, will find this course to be the best, because you work throughout the week, then Saturdays and Sundays morning you just do your own thing, and then in the evening classes here will start from 7 p.m. onwards. Mine is at 7 p.m. Shishant sirs is at 9 p.m. and Raghavendra sirs is of course at 11. So you will have classes which will be staggered throughout the evening, and you will be able to finish off your entire syllabus during this time. So this is the entire course of this course. Of course, remember, this course will be in English. The classes will be conducted in English completely. So that's this entire course, and of course, so that's all that I wanted to share with you. I hope most of you, or in fact a lot of you, will come and attend classes with us in this course. Remember, the first class starts tomorrow, 2nd of May. So if you're interested, do join up, do start taking your classes. Shishant sir will start off with number system. Alright guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much. I hope I'll see you in big numbers on the 16th and the 17th. Bye-bye.